Good day, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. In today's video, I want to share with us what you can do if so many people is after your life. If people are against you, if you have so many enemies fighting you, attacking you, sending evil arrows, evil utterances to you, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. You are welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemy using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredient, natural plant, natural root, natural resources, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual power, spiritual energies, frequencies and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, and also give me a thumbs up on my videos. If there's anything you don't understand I say on here, put it on the comment section, as I am open to communication. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, my returning viewers, you know who you are. Those of you who has brought me this far, those of you who has been supporting me in money and in kind, patronizing me, buying my spiritual material, trusting me and sending me money to do spiritual work for them, I pray for you that my God should continue to bless you. As the sun has risen from the east to the west, and nothing could stop the sun from rising, nothing will stop you from reaching your goals. That which made you to get in contact of my face, my God will solve it for you. Without wasting each and every one of your time. Is someone after your life? Are your enemies after your life? Has they been attacking you in different places, in different forms? Has they been causing catastrophe in your life? Has they been attacking you through your dreams? Have you been having bad dream? Have you been battling to make ends meet? This message is for you. All you need to do for me is to go and get me the earth, which is the sand. That is what you will be needing for this recipe. You that the enemy has sworn never to let you rest. They have been afflicting you with sicknesses. They have been afflicting you with diseases. They have been afflicting you with poverty. They have been afflicting you with blockages. They has been afflicting you with stagnation. They has been afflicting you with rising and falling. They has been afflicting you with hatred. And you have been seeking for a solution on how to put an end to that misery, on how to destroy that man, that woman that is after your life, up to no avail. Try this recipe. This recipe will help you. This recipe will destroy thousands of your enemies. All your enemies will die after you do this. They will leave you. They will run helter-skelter. All you need to do is to get me the sand. Let me tell you, every human being on earth is a product of a sound. We are made by the earth. Even the house we live on is made upon the earth. Even the 10-story you are living on, the foundation started from the earth. The 1-story building you are living on, the foundation started from the earth. So earth is human, and human is earth. As long as that man, that woman live upon the earth, and he marches upon the earth, who has been causing catastrophe, who has been disturbing your life, who has been attacking you, who has been afflicting you with sicknesses and diseases, with poverty and failure, with hatred, with the power from the earth, you are going to destroy that man. With the power from the earth, you are going to return every utterances of that woman or that woman back to sender. You can use this recipe to do back to sender. So get me your earth ready. Another item you will be needing is your alligator pepper. Remember, before you use any alligator pepper, you need to activate it. When you buy alligator pepper, take your 2 hands at your back and open it. That is the way to activate alligator pepper. Some people used to bury it on the earth. They bury it on the earth for 7 days, 4 days, 21 days, and they believe it has been activated. But we take it upon our back. Day and night will never meet. Yes. So you open your alligator pepper. Alligator pepper has the ability to cleanse and to purify and to drive away evil spirits and negative energy. Alligator pepper is the battle, the war finisher. He has never gone to any war and come back with regret. So you are going to be needing your alligator pepper. But before I tell you what you are going to do with the earth and alligator pepper in order to destroy those who is after your life, I would like to introduce my product because it's called Walk and Chop. Yes. If you are just joining us for the very first time, I have said my name. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, it's all about spirituality. We have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. My spiritual materials has healed many people from affliction of the devil. Now listen, if you need any of this product, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. We have the curse-breaking soap. If you are under a curse of any man or any woman, or curse from your foundation, or the curse that you have inflicted yourself when you are using this soap to bathe, every curse will come to an end. We have the road opening soap. For those of you who there is a lot of blockages in their way, you do this business, you fail. You do this business, you fail. It is not ordinary. When you are using this road opening soap to take your bait, your road will be open. People will favor you. We have the Love Me and Marry Me soap. For those of you who has been into a relationship for 7 years, 8 years, and that man, that woman keep promising you he's going to marry you, if you are using this Love Me and Marry Me soap, that man will fasten up your marriage. We also have the Back to Sender soap. In case they have been throwing evil arrows of disappointment, arrows of failure, arrows of sickness to your body, to your life, to your business, this confirm this back to sender. When you are using this soap to bait, every evil arrow will return back to sender. We also have the Epobo Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. Is something crawling all over your body? Have you eaten something in the dream and you have become affliction of the devil? Something is walking upon your head, walking inside your tummy, walking all over your body, and when you go to the hospital, the doctors will see nothing. They diagnose nothing and you are dying slowly. I have the antidote to your problem. Listen, it is called Epobo Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison remover. Is it something you ate in the dream? Is it affliction of the devil? Every evil manipulation. Have you been hearing strange voice? Have something been speaking in your ear? This is evil manipulation and it's called moving object. That which is moving inside your body. I have the antidote. All you need to do is to call my number +2347088136610. That is my number. I can beat up my chest and tell you that this product is tested and trusted. A lot of people has buy it from Germany, from US, from Canada, from Australia, and it has been from one testimony to the other. We have the Favor soap. We have the Love and Attraction soap. We have the Stop Evil oil. 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil. Then we also have the Call Money soap. We also have the Mercy and Favor soap. And we have the Protection bracelets, the Attraction bracelets, Harm Me Not soap, and so on and so forth. Each and every of these products are tested and trusted. If you need anyone, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. The number you see on the screen is my number. And if you need me to do any spiritual work for you, you call me on the phone. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. Let us join our faith together and solve your problem. Are you watching me on here and you have some series of enemies that are after your life? After doing this, your enemies will die. In fact, they will run for you if they refuse to die. All you need to do is to get me a sand, the earth, and alligator pepper. Now, when you get me the earth, early in the morning, this recipe is best done on Monday. Early morning, Monday morning. Take the earth and put inside your palm, your left palm. Then you bring 7 pieces of alligator pepper. 7 pieces of alligator pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Then you begin to look upon the universe. You call the earth where every man marches, where every man will go back to. You call the universe, you call the God in heaven. Call from 4 corners of the earth, the angels that govern the earth. And you call your name, Chima Solomon, Prince Matter, Chima Solomon Prince Matter, call your name 7 times, and you say the earth is human, and the fullness thereof. For God has established it upon the sea, and find it upon the earth. For that reason, any man, any woman that is after my life, to whom it may concern, that are my enemy, that are bewitching me, causing disappointment, causing wretchedness, causing rising and falling, causing leaking pocket, causing stagnation, causing blockages, causing unfavor, making me to suffer like an elephant and eat like an ant. Any man or woman that is made upon the image that God has made me, that walketh upon the earth, that will return to the earth, that has made any evil utterances against my life, that is making me to fall sick, that is making me to suffer, that is making people not to see me, that is making my destiny not to shine. Today, as I hold this earth upon my hand, I say, let every evil words, let every evil activities that you have done against my life, let it return back to your life. Let everything that you have said, let it return back to your life. You that have after my life, let the earth speak on my behalf. Let the universe speak on my behalf. Let the God in heaven speak on my behalf. If I have done any evil against you, let the evil that you are doing against me, let it be effective. But if I have never done any harm against you, let every utterances, let every enchantment, let every manipulation that you are sending me, starting from Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, let it return back to sender. Today that is Monday, whatsoever that you have placed upon my body, whatsoever that you have said upon the ear, let it be your portion. Let that food that you have served me, let you be a partaker to test that food that you have served me, and so shall it be. Then, after you have made this prayer, hold the sand like this, wave it on your head 7 times. Then go to the main road and pour it off the main road. Let owners of evil load carry their load. You get back to your house. When you get to your house, before you go inside your house, look for water, wash your hand, wash your feet, wash your face, and then do this every Monday. If you have so many enemies that are after your life, you are going to practice this every Monday. Do it 4 times in a month, and come back here to give me testimony. Those that has been after your life, you will be hearing obituary without announcement. Your enemy will receive untimely death. Your enemy will come and confess to you. Whenever they see you, they will be running helter-skelter. Go and try this recipe out. It's tested and trusted. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. As you can see, I am very angry in the spirit. Enemies has rendered a lot of people useless, but it's not the portion of my people. If you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor. Don't hesitate to subscribe and like my videos, and comment on the comment section. Also, if you need me to do anything for you, the number on the screen is my number. +2347088136610. That is my number. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.